Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making my very first stop motion movie, and it's going to be called Sassy Girls Act. Hey, have you any plans today? Oh, no, not really, but it's the best plans kinda, but I don't really know about it. So, do you have any guesses? I think I would do Move! Girls coming through! Hey, what was that all about? I don't know, maybe she's trying a little, show off? Nothing. And you guys are so mean, by the way. Hey, over here! We can talk over here, can't we? I'm leaving. And by the way, what are you guys doing? Nothing, by the way. Hey! Thanks, actors. You did a really good job. And by the way, did you guys just like my new stop motion movie? I mean, it's my very first one, so I'm sorry it was only 1 minute. 1 minute, seriously. But I actually took 2 hours to make it. So thanks for inspiring me. Stop motion to other people. I watched Mixed Play 7. Mixed Berries 7. I don't know what it's called. I don't remember. But thanks if you're watching this video. And I just want to tell you, show you, if you guys want to see the real action on a real human, it's right here. Just look at me, okay? Move! Girls coming through. So, hope you guys liked the video. Remember to smash that subscribe button, and hit that like button and press that notification bell so whenever we upload new videos, it will tell you if you want to watch it. Yeah, can. Good night or good day.